G'day, Year 11. How you going? One more lesson before the weekend. Enjoy. Today we're looking at calculations with time. So basically, dealing with hours and minutes, and doing various calculations with that. Now, the way that we want to do this is we want to actually just treat the hours and the minutes separately, okay? Because you can get sort of awkward overflows we have to carry up. If we just do the hours first and then do the minutes, then that can be an easy way to do this to make sure that we don't make any mistakes. Okay, so for question A here, we've got 9:20. We're going to add 2 hours, which goes to 11. And then plus 10 minutes, and we get 11:30. Sorry, we don't want to write, we want to write in 24-hour time. So it's just going to be 1130. Okay, and then for B, we've got hours before. Okay, so we're going to subtract 1 hour, which becomes 14:28, and then subtract 12 minutes, and we get 1, 4, and so we're just looking at this, the third and the fourth digit. We take away 12, and we get 1416 as our final answer here. For C, so 5 hours after. Now we've got to be careful here. So if we plus 5 hours, we go to 13. So for 24-hour time, that is fine. We can go to 13. But then when we plus 26 minutes, okay, it's going to be 10 minutes to get us to 14, which is 2 o'clock. And then we need another 16 minutes more. So again, just break it down into bits, which will make this easier. Okay, 6 hours before. So we've got a minus 6 hours. We get to 09. And then, so 0924, and then we minus the 38 minutes. And so it's 24 minutes to get us to 0900. And then we've got to think, how many do we have left over? It's 6 plus 8, which is 14 more minutes. So it's going to be 08. And then if we take away 14, we get to, from 60, it's going to be 46. Okay, so just got to split that number up. So if you got 38, you can do, take away 24, and you get 14 left, and then you've got 60 minutes in an hour. So you just take, you just take away and you get the minutes remaining in the next hour. Okay, let's do a couple more questions here. So calculate 2 days, 4 hours and 55 minutes plus 1 day, 3 hours and 31 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these all separately, and then we've got to sort of account for any sort of carry-on factor. The way we should do these is actually to start with the minutes so that we can then carry on an extra day, and then we can do the hours, sorry, and then do the days last. So do minutes first, and then hours next, and then days last. So the way I'll do it is 55 minutes, okay, plus 31 minutes. So it's going to be, it's 5 minutes to get us to an hour, and then we'll have 26 minutes left. Okay, so we've got 1 hour plus 26 minutes. And then, so what we can do is for the hours, we can do 4 hours plus 3 and then plus 1, gives us the 8 hours. And then the number of days is 2 plus 1 days. Okay, equals 3 days. So the total will be 3 days, 8 hours, and 26 minutes. Okay, so we just had to carry on this 1 hour that we got from the overflow from the minutes. Okay, so work out the minutes and then work out how many more hours you have to add on for the hours, etc., and carry on each one here. So for B, we're taking away. So we're going to start with the minutes first. So it's 25 minus 12 equals 13 minutes. Okay, and then 7 hours gives me, so it's going to be minus 8 hours. So what we need to do is take away another day and give ourselves, I guess, the 24 hours and then take away 8 from that. So that becomes minus 1 day and then plus 16 hours. So when we're doing this all up at the end, we'll do that. So we've got 3 days minus 1 day equals 2. And then we've got to take away this extra day here. So overall, total, it's going to be 1 day, 16 hours, and what do we have? 13 minutes. So you can see it's really tricky when the quantities kind of carry over or they go into each other. So you just got to sort of split it up and then take account for all of those things and then finally put it all together again. It's kind of like pulling it apart and putting it back together again is the way to go. All right, good luck with the work today and have a good weekend when it comes. See ya.